What documents do I need to provide to receive money via MoneyGram?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss the documents you need to provide when receiving money via MoneyGram. The process might seem intimidating, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step to make it easy for you. Remember, having the correct documentation is key to a smooth transaction.
Why do you need documents?
To start, you may wonder why you need documents to receive money. MoneyGram, like all financial institutions, must comply with laws and regulations that combat fraud and money laundering. That's why they need to verify your identity before you can receive money.
What identification document do you need?
So what do you need to bring with you? The main document you'll need is a valid, government-issued photo ID. This could be a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. The document must be current, so make sure it isn't expired.
What information do you need?
In addition to your identification, you will also need the reference number for the transaction. This number is given to the sender when they initiate the transfer. So, the person who is sending you money must share this number with you. You also need to know the exact amount of money that was sent. This is a security measure to make sure the right person is receiving the money. Also, you need to provide the sender's full name as it appears on their ID.
Are there any other requirements?
While these are the typical requirements, each country might have its own specific regulations. It is always a good idea to check with your local MoneyGram office or the MoneyGram website for any additional requirements. That's it. As long as you have your valid ID, the reference number, the exact amount being sent, and the sender's full name, you should be able to receive money via MoneyGram without any problems. Remember to always check for any additional local requirements. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you a smooth and easy transaction with MoneyGram.